get you the big bold brokerage call for today. And after Symphony posted a set of disappointing Q1 earnings, brokerages have come out with a bearish stance. Let's go across to Ashesha to get us the brokerage view on this particular counter. Ashesha.
Well, yes, Symphony has reported very weak set of numbers. Revenue, in fact, declined by as much as 53% on a year-on-year basis. EBITDA by 77% and PAT as much as 62% YOY. And on the back of this, we have a whole host of brokerage houses which have come out with their report. First up, let's talk about Nuvama, where they are maintaining their reduced stance on the stock. Target price has been cut to 920 from their earlier target price of 1060. They say it was a washout quarter for Symphony this time. Performance weakened due to an exceptionally poor summer season. They also say that channel inventory continues to remain at elevated levels at present, and if at all the situation were to improve, it will likely only happen in the fourth quarter of fiscal 26. Apart from that, they've also cut FY26 estimates for EPS by 27%, FY27 and 28 estimates by 15 and 10% respectively. Meanwhile, in fact, it's not just Nuvama. We have HDFC Research, and they've also cut their target price to 1375 versus their earlier target price of 1510. So very weak set of numbers, and a whole host of brokerage houses have now downgraded and reduced their target price on Symphony.
Okay, that's Symphony, 1.25% lower already in the pre-open rates itself. In fact, I want to revisit some of those names, and I want to see firstly what PNB Housing is up to, given that this was one of the biggest casualties on Friday. Is there any resurrection there? Mildly so, 820 is where that stock is right now. Other than that, of course, a bunch of earnings, strong ones from Delivery, from Tata Power. Let's see what these are up to. Gokaldas Exports and Arvind also are going to be in focus, considering they've sought the government aid and affordable credit to now cope with the tariffs should they be implemented at 25% or even lower. These stocks are seeing a little bit of a rebound come in. For Torrent Pharma, it's been a zero observation from US FDA for Andhra Pradesh manufacturing facility in Vizag. Torrent Pharma just marginally lower by about 0.5%. RailTel has got a 166 crore rupee order from BSNL, so that's the other stock which is on our radar. And then you've got a neutral set coming in from ITC, from an LIC Housing Finance. For ITC, of course, while the cigarette business has managed to beat the estimates, that's not quite the case for the paper business. But of course, the largest chunk for ITC comes in from...
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.